Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Zubair, and in this video I will show you how to configure background info using group policy so that important system and network information is shown automatically on the user screen after login. First we download the BGINFO tool from Microsoft Learn website. Go to Microsoft Learn website and download this BGINFO tool from here. After download, extract the zip file. I have already downloaded it. Now extract the zip file. Now create a folder on desktop. Name it BGINFO. After this, copy the bginfo.exe file and paste in this folder. Now double click on it. Now select the information that you want to show on user screen. I select the just following detail like hostname, IP address, logon user, logon domain, DNS server and OS version. Remove all this and select from here. First hostname, click on add, then IP address, click on add. And click on preview. The information will show like this on user screen. Go to background and select this option make wallpaper visible behind text and click OK and click on apply. Now you can see the following information: hostname, IP address, DNS server, DHCP server, default gateway, logon domain, OS version, subnet mask and user. Now save the template, go to file and click on save as and select the desktop folder that we create BGINFO and name the template I use and click on save and click OK. Press Window plus R, type double backslash your domain name, again backslash and press enter. Open system volume, open digitalitlab.local, open scripts and copy the BGINFO folder from desktop to this folder. Open this folder, right click here, go to new, select text document file and name the file. I use bginfo-deploy and choose batch file. Press enter, click on yes. Now right click on it, click on edit, click on run. Now copy the path of bginfo.exe file and template.bgi file inside the batch file. Press shift and right click on bginfo.exe file and click on copy as path and open batch file and paste it here. And again press shift, right click on template.bgi file. Click on copy as path, again open notepad file and paste it here. Now add these values. Go to file and click on save and close this file. After that again press Window plus R and type this is the folder where our batch file will be copied using group policy so it runs automatically at login. Now open group policy management console. Right click on the IT-client organizational unit Select create a GPO in this domain and link it here and name the GPO. I use BGINFO. Click OK. Now right click on BGINFO GPO. Click on edit. Go to user configuration. Open preferences. Open Windows settings. Open files. Right click here. Go to new. Click on file. Now select the source file path. Our source file is our batch file. Go to BGINFO folder. Press shift and right click on batch file and click on copy as path and paste it here. Now copy the destination file, go to startup folder, copy the path and paste it here and add the batch file name. Click on common and check the box that says item level targeting. Click on targeting. Click on new item. Select organizational unit or where you want to apply this GPO. And select the option that says user in organizational unit and browse the organizational unit. I want to apply this group policy on IT-client's organizational unit. Click OK and click OK. Click on apply. Click OK. Now link the GPO to our domain. Right click on domain. Select link an existing GPO and select BGINFO and click OK. Right click on BGINFO GPO and select Enforce. After setting everything, open command prompt and run this command. This applies the GPO to the users in the IT-client's organizational unit. Now go to client machine and log in with the domain user who is part of the IT-client's organizational unit. Open command prompt as administrator. And run this command. Now restart the client PC. After the client PC restart, log in with domain user. After a few time, BGINFO appeared on the screen showing system information like hostname, IP address, DNS, user login user and more. So this is how you can configure BGINFO using group policy. It's very useful for support and troubleshooting. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with others and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. This is Baz. See you in the next video.